Two of the most hotly anticipated phones are launching within a month of each other. The OnePlus 10 Pro is or has launched in China depending on when I upload this video, and the S22 Ultra is launching sometime next month. Now let's compare these phones based on leaks and rumors and see which one has a leg up over the other. Let me know in the comments down below which phone you are more excited for, and if you do end up liking this video, consider showing support by subscribing. Now the design choices for these smartphones are actually bizarre. While it is clear that the OnePlus 10 Pro has taken an inspiration from the S21 Ultra, one of the best designed phones of 2021, Samsung on the other hand has moved away from that design and gone for a much cleaner and classier look. I personally like both designs, but the OnePlus 10 Pro certainly looks more distinctive. Now displays on these phones however are going to be almost identical barring the size differences. Both panels will be LTPO 2.0, which could mean better switching between low and high refresh rates. Now Samsung's panel is expected to be higher in peak brightness than the OnePlus 10 Pro, but that shouldn't be a big deal since both phones will easily go north of over 1200 nits of brightness. Both phones are expected to feature a 5000 mAh battery that will easily last users a full day. But the biggest differentiator between these phones is in the charging speed. OnePlus has always maintained a lead over Samsung in this area, and that continues with the OnePlus 10 Pro. This phone is going to feature 80-watt wired charging and 40-watt wireless charging compared to the 45-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging of the S22 Ultra. Now in all honesty, 45-watt isn't that low, but it is still almost half of what the OnePlus 10 Pro will offer. Crazy fast charging is super convenient when you're in need of a quick charge, and that's where OnePlus wins. But where OnePlus might lose or have a small setback is in the software department. OnePlus received a lot of flack for merging its Oxygen OS with Oppo's Color OS. Now I haven't personally used it, but after watching a few videos I can see why it's being hated on. While I'm not a huge fan of Samsung software either, I think we can all agree that it's going to be better than anything OnePlus puts out from now on. This again is personal taste, so let me know your thoughts about it in the comments down below. Also subscribe while you're at it. Another similarity for these phones is in the use of Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. Samsung is rumored to offer a 1TB storage option with 16GB of RAM, which is more than what I have in my laptop. The S22 Ultra also makes space for an S Pen. Now the most interesting battle between these phones will be in the camera department. Both companies are expected to stick to a similar setup as last year's flagships with minute changes to photo processing. The OnePlus 10 Pro's ultrawide camera already looks to be best this year with a whopping 150-degree field of view and a special fish-eye lens feature. Samsung is also expected to make big improvements in the 108-megapixel sensor, where Samsung leads is in the telephoto department. A 10x optical zoom annihilates the 10 Pro's 3x telephoto lens. Other than that, both phones will be neck and neck in the camera comparison. Now even though both these phones have such similar features, yet the OnePlus 10 Pro has a huge price advantage. The OnePlus 10 Pro could end up costing similar to the 9 Pro from last year at $900, which is $200 cheaper than the S21 Ultra. Once again, we will know the full picture when these devices launch. Now that's it for this video guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.